If you are building any kind of a funnel or landing page where you need to get permission, you're getting people to opt in for your lead magnet or to go through your checkout form, you get them to fill out all the information, but you really need to get that permission slip from them, right? That they have read the terms and services or whatever it is that you have. Well, if you use Go HighLevel / Funnel Gorgeous or any of these white labeled programs, there's a new feature. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but let me shrink my head down here just a little bit and show you. I'm inside of the builder, and you'll notice at the bottom, let me see if I can make it bigger. Now automatically we can just add in this little box, this I agree to. Super easy to do. So when you add in, either it's a 1-step or a 2-step checkout form, as over here on the right under the advanced tab, here's all of the different options, that you set up: enable cart mode, product description, all of that kind of stuff. And look here, there is now this I agree to the terms and conditions. And when you click on that, we can open up the link and you can put in your own terms and condition, get it to open up with a new window. And ta-da, there it is. They have to check that little box, then they can complete their order. How easy is that? So thank you so much, Go HighLevel. And hey, if you want a perfect all-in-one platform and you're not using something as robust as Go HighLevel, I've got a free free trial copy for you. So reach out and I can give it to you. All right, talk to you later.